Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back and it's time to eat again. And today I baked some spicy barbecue wings. I baked some sweet potatoes. I made some collard greens, some corn on the cob, and some pretzel rolls. And I'm very excited, y'all. I tasted some of it. My mouth is watering. I am gonna make a cocktail, but I think I'm gonna try some of these wings first. I have some lemon water. For dessert, I randomly have blueberries and gluten-free vanilla wafers. I just wanted something crunchy on the side. I do have some blue cheese back here if I need it, but y'all, this barbecue chicken, I have some baked sweet potatoes that I made, y'all. I peeled off the top layer of skin and then dug out like a little canoe and took the sweet potatoes, mixed it in a bowl with some butter, some honey, some cinnamon, some nutmeg. And then I put it back inside, sprinkled some cinnamon on top, put it back in the oven, y'all. And I haven't tasted it, so I'm excited, y'all. I don't know where to start. I think I'm gonna start with the sweet potatoes. Ooh, y'all, look. It's kind of like a souffle. Look, y'all. And I did mix it with butter. I know people are like, oh, you gotta put butter on top. I mixed it with the butter. Oh, that's good. That's good right here, y'all. Okay. Yeah. My. Wow. I don't know if it's blue cheese. I don't think I'm gonna need that. I slow bake these. That one's hot. I slow bake these at 300 degrees for 3.5 hours. Every hour, put a layer of barbecue sauce on top. And in the last hour, I put some mumbo sauce. Cranked up the heat a little bit so it could kind of dry the wings out. Y'all, I'm telling you, the slow bake is everything. And I had that fried fish. So, I didn't want any fried chicken today. Get you a girl who can bake some barbecue wings. Okay. One more and then I'm gonna get into these greens. Ooh, this one looks a little crispy. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. All right, y'all, let's make a cocktail. All right, so I do have the rest of the mango Amsterdam from the other day. And I got some mango chunks in my glass and this barbecue sauce on the back of my glass. I'm gonna pour the rest of that in. And then, uh-oh, dang. Ooh. All right. And let's pour some strawberry buzz balls on top. Mm-hmm. I forgot my straw. Ooh. So we got strawberry, mango, ooh, wine and vodka. Ooh. It looks so tropical, right? All right, y'all, let's do a toast real fast. Cheers to Veronica, D Good Vibes, Cooking with Maheen, Rensuki, and Naru. Cheers, y'all. I hope y'all having a good Friday. Happy Friday. It's time for the weekend. Damn buzz balls. Ooh. Oh, that is good. Yep, that's a weekend drink. All right, y'all. It's time for some greens. I really want to eat with my fingers. Heat it up just a little bit. Ooh, it's so good, y'all. I made it with orange peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, cumin, sage, turmeric, tomatoes, so on and so forth. Chicken stock. I put chicken stock in it. Ooh. This is a good meal right here. Oh yes. My. Y'all, these pretzel biscuits are delicious. It's hot. Y'all. It's a healthy alternative to regular biscuits. food is so good, y'all. And it really took me hours to make all this. That'd be the best food. The best food. Ooh. Ooh, that one is hot. You can cut this real off. No. I am pleased with myself. It's a good meal right here. Some good baked food. I baked these too. I wrap these in aluminum foil. Bake these too. I didn't bake the greens though, obviously. I'm eating this so sloppy. I'm sorry, y'all. Feel like it's all over my face. Wow. No. The combinations, it's the perfect combination of food. It is. I do like the skin on the sweet potatoes and the regular potato. It's seasoned too. I can taste the nutmeg and the honey. Oh, that's good. Woo, yes. Oh, that was good. So, I know that a lot of people, or you know, if you follow the channel, y'all know that I like to do yoga. I like to work out. So today, I realized that in Florida, it's that time again. Like, if I don't get outside by 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, I gotta just work out inside the house because it gets too hot outside. So today, it worked out in my favor. I think that I worked out in the house because some of the stuff that I was doing, like I had so much fun that I don't think it would have been the same if I was outside. But y'all, I like to do like, sometimes I work out in silence, but most times I like to pick a certain song or a certain playlist that I created to, you know, get through the workout, and also kind of do some form of meditation where I empower myself and make myself feel, you know, strong to build up that good energy for the day. So, today, I was playing Miley Cyrus, her new song. I already like Miley Cyrus, but her new song called Flowers. It's the #1 song on the top 100 music videos. It's been #1 probably since the first hour it came out. But, y'all, I got my window cracked a little bit, so y'all might hear the planes. But either way, I just, y'all, this song is very powerful, and I understand why it's #1. Come on back. So, it's a good combo too. A lot of us get into these relationships and you really do try. Like, you really do present your best self and you give that relationship your best. And sometimes we still get hurt. Sometimes we get played. Sometimes we get played. And that song by Miley Cyrus called Flowers, it really touched me, okay? Not just because she has a sultry voice that's kind of deep. She sounds good in that song, y'all. But it's more so because that topic is on point. That girl was basically saying, you know, she gave her all. And that relationship blew up in her face. But it's okay. Because I could love myself better than you can love me anyway. But anyway, y'all, when we let them go and choose yourself over that other person, you win like that. You win. When you focus on yourself. And in that video, when she was doing that power workout, y'all should have saw me in this damn living room. Because she was empowering me. Okay? Because she was taking care of herself. It feels good. When you do a strong workout, sometimes it's painful. But that's how you take care of yourself. Feels better. When you focus on yourself, you take care of yourself. It's better than sitting around waiting for somebody to get their shit together. But that hurts too. those months that it takes for them to finally figure it out, sometimes years that it takes them to figure it out, if they even figure it out, you still be getting dragged. You still be exposed to that toxicity. Let them people go. Choose yourself. Okay? You have to choose your own self. Okay? Because you can get yourself flowers, like she said. You can get yourself flowers. You can hold your own hand. Take yourself for a walk. And in the midst of you getting yourself together, also manifest your future lover. Go ahead and start claiming that thing out loud, like what you know you're going to have in the future, because you don't deal with that type of person no more. When you really let go of toxic people and you get that stuff out of your system, you don't need them. It don't matter how good they was making you feel or what they was buying you. It don't matter. Let that toxicity go and choose yourself. Choose or get dragged. Choose yourself or get dragged. Either way it goes. Shout out to Miley Cyrus for the summertime anthem. Okay? Because I still remember. I'll never forget. And with that being said, I'll never be in another toxic relationship. Because I learned the error of my ways. And I know what beautiful love feels like. That's what I have, and that's what I expect for myself. Those are my standards now. You can't be around me if you're toxic. That's the type of time I'm on. Okay? Why? Because I love myself. I love myself. I can buy my own damn self flowers. Okay? Whether it's my birthday or not, I can buy myself some damn flowers. Alright? Cheers to Miley Cyrus. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. I love that song. Yep. Well, I love y'all. I love y'all. And I'm probably going to eat this tomorrow. So I reckon I'll see y'all on Sunday. Peace.